Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video of mine. So today I'm going to talk about the most popular thing that everybody is shooting or filming about in YouTube. So that's what's in my bag video. So there is not much things that I do carry, but then there are very less things that I carry. So yes, today I'll show you the things that I carry in my bag, and by my look you already understood perhaps that just a few minutes back I have taken my shower and I thought of filming this video right now. So just bear with me with my looks and all. So yes, let's get started. So this is the bag I carry, and it's a bit heavy because I carry a few of these stuff. So first I will start with my wallet. This is the wallet that I carry, which doesn't have any cash in it, but I only have cards in it. Yes. Then the second thing I carry is my spectacles, and also I have sunglasses as well. So the basic thing I'll show you, I use this bag is, it has there's a pouch in it, a small pouch where you can carry your laptop, but I preferably carry my products in it. I usually don't carry my laptop because right now we don't have to go to uni. Everything is online. So first I'll show you what's in this bag. So yes, as I told you, I have my specs and my sunglass, which at times I carry my lenses as well in this. So right now I don't have it. Then I carry some chocolates, preferably everybody like it. Then an umbrella, because as I stay in Melbourne right now and it's very unpredictable out there when it's gonna rain or something. So for rain and all, I use that. The very important thing at this situation, if you're going out, is mask. So please, if you're stepping out of your home, wherever you stay, no matter, so please carry mask and please wear it when you're going out. As well as I have two masks. I forgot to throw it because it's not reusable, but this is reusable mask. I don't know that helps or not. Then I carry sanitizer. Of course, everybody has this with them nowadays. I have some mint with me, perhaps if my breath is smelling really bad. Then I have few rubber bands with me because I forget every time. I keep it. And what else? I have medicines, and these are painkillers basically. I don't know, I need it every time I'm having a headache or something like that. So if I'm out, then I preferably take it. Then it has got one pocket here, so I carry tissue papers with me, which is really useful. I carry wet tissues with me. Then I have earphones, which everybody needs if they are going out, because if you're getting bored or if you're going to listen to music. Then power bank. Then another rubber band. It's very I really like it because it's very soft. Then I have my perfume, Victoria's Secret. I really like it's the fragrance. It's Temptation. It's really nice. Yes, I really like to use it every time. Then I have a poly bag, because if I'm carrying an umbrella and it suddenly rains, so I have to carry a poly bag so that I can keep my umbrella and I don't forget it. Then I have few more medicines with me, yes, because I'm not a very healthy person who doesn't need any medicines or something like that. I do need medicine. I am carrying a clip. I'm carrying a small comb. Yes, hardly I use it when I'm out. More rubber bands, because as I told you, I forget every time, so I keep on adding rubber bands in my bag. Then I have a lipstick which is from L'Oreal, and it's a shade which goes with everything, so that's why this shade. And this is kajal from Color Essence, and it needs to be sharpened. Then I'm carrying sunscreen which is from Nivea, and it's SPF 50, but I would say that I don't use this sunscreen until and unless, you know, I'm going somewhere and suddenly I need this, because it's very hot out there. Because this sunscreen, you know, it's not waterproof, so that's why I'm just keeping it in my bag in case of any emergency. Then I have a notebook, because if there is something to write down, so that I can note it down. Okay, I have a hand cream. I have basically 2 hand creams, so both are from Nivea, and this is basically moisturizing cream, not hand cream, but I usually use it as hand cream because at times if I need some moisturizing on my face or on my skin, then I can use it. And this is a hand cream. Yes, this is a hand cream. So this is also from Nivea. It is with almond oil, and it's really good. Yes, it is good. Because my hands keeps on getting dry, so that I can at least moisturize it. And it's very dry weather out here in Melbourne, as many of you know, and it's very unpredictable when it will rain, when it will have, you know, hot weather, or it will be very cold. Then I have some sanitary pads with me, and I have a letter with me. I don't know why I'm carrying this and what this letter is for. It's there in my bag. I keep on. Okay. Oh, all right. This is from Vic Road. So this is the letter I'm carrying from last 3-4 months, because I got my license. So yes, that's it. I have nothing else left. So that's all what I carry in my bag. And nowadays I will prefer that everybody, if it's very important for you to go out, so please, 2 things which is very important, that is the mask and the hand sanitizer. Please carry it with you. Please be safe, and until and unless very important, then only step out of your home, or else avoid stepping out. But here in Australia, things have turned very pretty well comparatively to other places, so we can go out, but there are certain restrictions right here which will be moved out, like which will be perhaps from 1st June. We'll have new regulations where we can go out, yes, with 20 people, but right now we can only go out at a time 10 people at public places, and have to maintain safe distancing, and everybody has to maintain safe distance. And of course, by God's grace, we will overcome this situation. So that's all for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please hit the like, thumbs up button, and please share it. Thank you.